if your SaaS is getting a steady flow of users every single month, there's a chance that you might be losing a few of them just because of the mistakes that I'm going to cover in this video. So listen closely. Today, I'm going to um, review InfinityFlow.io, which is a platform that allows you to do uh, marketing and automation. Okay, so first of all, we can see if they do have a good headline, and the subheadline is also really nice. But if we scroll down straight away, we can see, well, sorry, if we go up, you can see that hovering on the nav bar actually is not good because it's not an accessible nav bar. The actual text does not have a good distinction from the background. Okay, orange text on a light blue background, unfortunately, is hard to see. So straight away, they're going to lose a lot of users because of that. Here they go more in depth about how it works, how it's no code and it's built for entrepreneurs and stuff like that. Here they go more in depth about how it works and how it can be used. And then here they go more in depth about how it's used. But the thing that you might be noticing straight away is that we haven't seen much social proof immediately, and that might be responsible for a drop off of 20% of users because some users might expect a an element of credibility and social proof within a very close proximity of the above the fold, okay, section. Right? It's all good to talk about how you create happy customers, but then you need to see the reviews very quickly. Here they go more in depth about how it works and how you can basically use a lot of integrations like Google Analytics and Node.js and Google's page speed. Okay. Here they go more in depth about how all the advantages that come with using this service compared to others. And they also got a clear pricing tier where the each tier, each feature is clearly explained underneath the tier, right? So that's good. And they also have a frequently asked question to handle any objection that prospect might have. But as you see, they don't have any sign of credibility or social proof. On the homepage, they do have this reviews page, but it's not given that every prospect is going to actually, you know, click on that. But they do look nice. They do have very in-depth reviews, and they come from many different types of sources like G2 here, or Facebook here, or Capterra here. Okay, even though here it actually cut off, so they'll have to fix that. But otherwise, um, these are some of the things that I've noticed with this funnel. There's a few things to improve, but if they do so, then they'll be able to increase their conversions by a lot. And so, if you run a SaaS and your conversions are not where you want them to be, I do breakdowns like this every day, and you can, and otherwise you can click on the this in the link in the description